Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our new exercise 3.2. So let's begin today's class. Question number 1. Classify into odd and even numbers. We know that odd numbers and even numbers means which are multiples of 2, or the number which are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are known as even number. So let us see. First one is 19. You can see even number means in the last there should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, but it is 9. 9 is an odd number, so we can say that 19 is an odd number. We have to see its last digit. This one, 42, the last digit is 2, it means it is an even number, so 42 is an even. 51, 1 is an odd number, means 51 is an odd. 110. 0 is an even number, so 110 is an even number. And 145, 5 is an odd number, so 145 is also an odd number. Now question number 2. Which of the following numbers are prime? We know that we already studied about prime number. Prime number means which are having factor 1 and itself. It means which are exactly divisible by 1 and itself only. So let us see 7. Which are its factor? Means 7 is divisible by only 1 and 7. It has only 2 factors. So it is a prime number. Now 20. We know that the factors of 20 are, it is exactly divisible by 1, 2, then 4, 5, 10, etc. are there. It means the factors of 20 are more than 2. So it is not a prime number, it is a composite number. So no means it's not a prime. Same 41, its factor, it is exactly divisible by only 1 and itself means 41. So yes, it is a prime number. Same 43, 1 and 43 are its factor, so it is a prime number. Then 18. 18 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. It means it has more than 2 factor, so it is a composite number. So it is not a prime number. Then question number 3. Write a number which is neither prime nor composite. We have to write a number which is not a prime and nor composite. We know that prime means which are having 2 factor, 1 and itself, and composite means opposite of prime or which are having more than 2 factor. So we can see that 0 and 1, these are the number which are neither prime nor composite. How can we say that it is not a prime or composite? Prime means which are having 2 factor, but 0 are and 1 both are divisible by itself. 0 and 1, they are having only 1 factor. So for composite there should be more than 2, and for prime there should be exactly 2, but it is less than 2. It means only 1 factor is there, so it is not a prime nor composite. Now question number 4. Which is the smallest prime number? We know that 0 and 1 both are not prime nor composite. So next one is 2, which is the smallest prime number. Then question number 5. List all the prime numbers between 10 and 30. We have to write all the prime numbers which comes between 10 and 30. So 10 is not a prime number. After that 11. 11 is a prime. Then 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. These are the number which are having factors only 1 and itself. Then 40 and 80. Between 40 and 80 till 41 to 80 we have to see that which are the numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. So you can see that all even numbers are not prime number, because all even numbers are divisible by 2 or more than 2 factors are having. So we have to see directly in only odd number, means odd numbers which are not divisible by 2. So how can we list out prime numbers? You have to see only the odd numbers between 40 and 80. Out of them we have to select which are prime. So we can see 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73 and 79. These are the number which are having factor 1 and itself. Means these are the number which are divisible by only 1 and itself means 41 and 43 only. Then 150 and 180. So 151, 157, 161, 163, 167, 173, 179. You can see that all numbers are odd numbers only. It means only other than 2, only 2 is an even prime number. After that all the prime numbers are odd number only. So directly we have to see only odd number between 150 and 180, and out of that odd number we have to see which are prime number, means which have factor only 1 and itself. So these are the number which are divisible by 1 and itself only. Now question number 6, find two perfect number between 1 and 100. We know that what is the definition of perfect number? A number for which sum of its factor is equal to twice the number is called a perfect number. First we have to see which are the factors. 6 factor means by which number 6 is exactly divisible. So 6 is exactly divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6. So now add this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, which is equal to 12. And 12 is double of 6. It means it is a perfect number. Then 28. The factors are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. If we add, we'll get 56, which is double of 28. So we can see that perfect number means which are have a number for which its factor is equal to twice a number. It means 12 is twice of 6 and 56 is twice of 28. Twice means double. So only 6 and 28, only two numbers are there which are perfect number between 1 and 100. It's only for explanation, no need to write it once again. Then question number 7, define twin primes, determine twin primes between 50 and 100. First we have to define what is twin prime. Twin prime means the pair of prime numbers having a difference of 2 are called twin prime. We have to see pair means two prime number we have to see between which there should be difference of 2. Already we have discussed about this in our previous class, so let us see once again. So we can see between 50 and 100. 59 and 61. Difference means minus. So 69 minus 51, 2. Same 73 minus 71. We got the answer as 2. It means the pairs 59, 61 and 71 and 73. These are the pair of prime number having a difference of 2. It means these are twin prime. Twin means 2 only. So you can remember by this that twin prime means the pair of prime number having a difference of 2 between them. Then define co-prime number. Write down 3 examples. Co-prime number means the numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have a common factor other than 1. Common factor means, for example, 3 and 5. Let us see in 3 and 5. Which are the factors of 3? 1, 3. 5. Which are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. Common factor means both are having same factor. So you can see that 3 and 5 both are having only 1 as a common. Then 3 and 5 are different. It means 3 and 5 are co-prime number. Same you can see 4 and 9. 8 and 15. There are many different examples of co-prime numbers you can see between any number. Now question number 9. Can a composite number be odd? If yes, write smallest odd composite number. Composite number means which are having more than 2 factor. So yes, composite number can be odd. We know that only 2 is an prime number, and after that all odd numbers, many of the odd numbers are prime number only. Now we have to see that is there any composite number is there which is odd. So 9 is the smallest odd composite number. Composite number, we know that 0 and 1 both are neither prime nor composite. So 2 is a prime number, 3, then 5, 7. These are the prime number, and composite number are 4, 6, 8, then 9. But you can see that 4, 6 and 8, these are composite, but this 3 are even number. So the 9 is the smallest odd composite number. Now question number 10, fill in the blanks. A number which has only 2 factors, 1 and number itself, is called a prime number. a number which has more than 2 factor. We know that the number which is having more than 2 factor is opposite of prime, or we can say it is a composite number. Then 1 is neither prime nor composite. The smallest prime number. Which is the smallest prime number? 2. The smallest composite number. We know that 0 and 1 are neither prime nor composite, then 2 and 3 are prime. So the composite number is starting from 4. So 4 is the smallest composite number. The smallest even number is 0. Now question number 11. State whether the following statement are true or false. Now we have to find the answer true and false. The sum of two odd number is an odd number. We can see by using some examples only. So let us take two odd number, 7 and 9. Add this, we get the answer as 16. But 16 is an even number. So the statement is false, that the sum of two odd number is an even. It is not an odd number. Second one, the sum of two even numbers is an even number. Sum means addition. So let us take two even number, 4 plus 6. Now add this, you will get 4 plus 6 equal to 10. And 10 is also an even number. So we can say that true, the sum of two even number is an even number. Then third, sum of three odd numbers is even. Sum of three odd number. Now we have to take three odd number and we have to add that one. So let us see, we can take any examples, any odd or even number for verifying this. So let us take 7, 9 and 5. Now add this one. You get the answer is 21. And 21 is also an odd number. So it is false, because sum of three odd number is an odd number only. Fourth one, sum of two odd numbers and one even number is an even. If we add two odd numbers and one even number, the answer is even or not. So let us take two odd number, 3 and 5, and one even number is 8. So 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. Now you can see that 16 is an even number. So it is true that the sum of two odd numbers and one number is an even number. The product of three odd number is odd. Sum means addition and product means multiplication. So we have to take three odd numbers and we have to multiply whether they are odd or not. So we have taken 3, 7 and 9. These are three odd number. If we multiply this 3, we will get the answer is 189. And we know that 189 is also an odd number. So we can say the product of three odd number is an odd number. It is true. Then if an even number is divided by 2, the quotient is always odd. Here quotient not, it is quotient means the answer will come. Quotient, quotient. So first we have to take one even number and we have to divide by 2. So let us take 8. 8 is an even number and divide by 2. The answer is 4. But here it is given that it is always an odd. It is not necessary that answer will always come odd only. So answer will be false, that we got the answer as in 4, which is an even number. So if an even number is divided by 2, the quotient is an even. It is sometime it may be odd and sometime it may be even only. So all prime numbers are odd. It is false. We know that 2 is a prime number which is an even number. So all prime numbers are not odd. Prime numbers do not have any factor. We know that what is the definition of prime number? Which are having 2 factor. So false, since 1 and the number itself are the factor of number. It means prime number have 2 factor. Sum of 2 prime number is always an even. Let us take 2 prime number. We have taken 2 plus 5, which is equal to 7. So 7 is an odd number. So false. The sum of 2 prime number may also be an odd number. Sometime if we add any 2 prime number, we will get the answer as an odd number only. For example, we can see, take 2 odd number 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 is 8, but 8 is an even number. So we can say that the sum of 2 prime number is always, it is not that sometimes it may be even and sometimes it may be odd. So answer will be false. Then next, 2 is only even prime number. It is true. We know that other than 2, all prime numbers are odd number. So 2 is the only even prime number. Then all even numbers are composite number. False, since 2 is a prime number. How can all even numbers are composite number? We cannot say that all the even numbers are composite, because 2 is an even number but it is a prime number. The product of two even number is an always even. Always means in all the condition there should be answer should always be even only. So product means multiplication. So let us take 2 over even number. So 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are even. Now multiply this. 2 4s are 8. And 8 is an even number. So answer will be true. That the product of two even number is an always even. For example, you can take another even numbers. 6 into 4. 6 4s are 24. And 24 is also an even. So we can say that the product of two even number is always even. It will not come as an odd number. Now question number 12. Write down separately the prime numbers and composite number less than 20. We have to write prime numbers and composite number which are less than 20. So let us write prime number. Prime number less than 20. Which are the prime number? Prime number is starting from 2. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Prime number means which are having factors only 1 and itself. Then composite number. How can you write composite number less than 20? The number which are not prime numbers are composite number. So you can see after 2, 3, which is left here 4, then after 5, 6, after 7, 8 and 9, then 10. Then 12, 14, 15, 16 and even 18. So these are the number which are not prime numbers are known as composite number. Or we can say that the number are having which are having more than 2 factors, 1 and itself. Now question number 13. Write 7 consecutive composite number less than 100 so that there is no prime number between them. We have to write 7 consecutive means the number coming one after the other. For example, after 1, which number is coming? 2, then 3, 4, 5. So these numbers are known as consecutive 5 number. So like this we have to see that 7 consecutive composite number means one after the other all the numbers should be composite only. And there should be no any prime number between them. And it should be less than 100. So which are the numbers? Only 7 consecutive coming. Consecutive means the number coming one after the other. Composite number less than 100 are 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 96. So you can see that 90 to 96. These are the 7 consecutive means one after the other number which are composite. All these numbers are composite number. Composite number means which are having more than 2 factor and there is no any prime number between this number. So only 7 consecutive, or we can say the number coming one after the other are less than 100 are till 90 to 96 where all numbers are composite, not any prime number between them. Then last question of our exercise, question number 14. Express the following as sum of two odd prime number. 44. We have to express 44 as sum. Sum means we have to take any two numbers such that if we add that two numbers, the addition of two odd prime numbers should be 14. Both numbers should be prime and should be odd only. So you can see that 44 is addition of 31 and 13. You can see that 31 is also an odd and prime both. Same 13 is also an odd and prime number both. If we add 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 1 4, 44. So 44 can be written as 31 plus 13. We have to see that both the condition we have to see. It should also be odd and prime number also. Then 36. 36 if you take add 18 plus 18. It is also an 36. But 18 is an even number and it is a composite number. So this is not possible. So which are the combination of this? We have to see by checking that one. So 17 and 19. both are odd and prime number also. And if we add 17 plus 19, we'll get answer as 36. So it can be represented as 17 plus 19. Same 24. 24 we can add it like 10 plus 14 or 12 plus 12. But here you can see these numbers are even number. And after even also they are composite number only. It means which is the combination of 24, 11 and 13. If we add 11 and 13, we'll get answer as 24 and both are odd and prime number also. Then last is 18. 18 can be written as 5 plus 13, where 5 and 13 are odd and both are prime numbers only. So today we have completed our exercise 3.2. On the next day for our class, we will see the divisibility of numbers. We will test the divisibility of different